Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Google Pixel 5. So what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you remove this one here, you will see here some instructions, and on the back you will see the SIM ejection tool. So just move it like this and like that. Yeah, otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, now if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on this SIM tray you can enter a nano SIM card, and if you want later, you can add also a second eSIM here in that phone. So it's a dual SIM phone, but you can just enter one physical SIM. So if you want to have a second SIM card, you have to ask your provider for an eSIM. Okay, let's check the physical SIM here, how it works. So you will put the SIM card like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are on the top. Okay. And then you put this construction here into the phone like this. And it is inserted. Yeah, as I said, if you want to have a second SIM card, you have to ask your provider for an eSIM profile. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thought. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.